What is up, my dudes? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have another awesome eBay haul from my favorite eBay seller. I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into this. So it did come in the mail yesterday, and it came in one of these priority mail boxes, and there's a whole bunch of awesome cars in here, so let's get started. All right. So this seller always packs them like this. We got a plastic baggie, and each individual car is wrapped in paper towels, which is cool with me. Some sellers really overpack cars, and it gets a little bit annoying. There we go. First one out. I mean, even the tape is kind of overkill. You really don't need it. But it's all good. No one's perfect. All right, I'm glad this one was first because I have cracked open a whole bunch of these cars. I have like 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 of these, but it's all good. I love every one of them. I'm a little bit of a hoarder when it comes to these Preludes. I just can't get enough of them. I love this casting. All right, let's put that one right there for now. Next one up. Oh my goodness. Check this out, you guys. I got Kit from Knight Rider. I've been wanting this car for so long. Now this is the mainline version. Oh, sick. It says Knight on the back. Awesome. So rad. Check it out though. I hope you guys can see it, but the interior is just like you know, the TV show has like that custom steering wheel and all those gadgets and electronics. So awesome. Love this car. So amped to get this one. Let's see what it says on the base. 2016 Universal. It says Kit right there. Super awesome. So amped. Such an awesome car. All right, let's put it right there next to the Lude. And let's continue. What have we got here? Oh yes, another duplicate. As you know, I had this one already, but I wanted a double for the racetracks. You know, I got that 6-lane drag race playset, and you know, it came with cars. I didn't even like open those cars. They're just so crappy. Like I don't want to race those. I want to race cool cars, you know. And this will be one of them. All right, there's that. And here's the last one in that first little pack. Oh, here we go. We got a Mustang. Looks like it's a Shelby Cobra. Now, this is my first time getting this casting, so let's talk about it a bit. It does have side view mirrors. It's got beautiful metallic paint, rolled up windows, nice racing stripe tampos, hood pins. It's got some nice black 10 spokes. 2020 Ford Shelby GT500. There you go. We can see the snake on the back and that big metal wing. Pretty cool. All right, let's put it there next to the Civic, and let's bust out another pack. There we go. Oh, okay, cool. I'm glad we got these two out of the way. I'm so sorry, guys. You've seen so many Preludes on my channel, but I love them. They're so cool. And just wait until those yellow ones and the green ones come out. I'm gonna get so many of those also. I can't help it. I just can't help it. Gorgeous car. You guys have seen it all already. Let's go put it there next to the other one. All right, next up in pack number 2. What is this? So much fun. Love opening these up. Yes! I did not have this NSX. I needed it for the collection. I have a very similar one, but not this one. Love the 5-spoke wheels, beautiful red enamel. Taillights look great. Acura symbol looks fantastic. So we got a black top and a black plastic base. Love this casting. Love this car in real life too. One of my favorites of all time. Fantastic. Let's pop it right there next to the Mustang. And let's get to cracking the next one. Let's see what we got here. What do we got? Oh, Bugatti. Awesome. Only my second Bugatti in the collection. I mispronounced it last time. I had to look it up. It is not Chiron or Chiron. It is Chiron. Or Chiron. Damn it. I'm not sure. But I think it's like Chiron or Chiron. But very cool. Very lightweight casting. The blue one seems to weigh more. Black plastic base with absolutely 0 details. I mean, that is as basic as it can get. Let's check out the back. Grill looks pretty nice. No taillights though. Not much going on up front here, but it looks okay. Looks like it's missing some of the chrome around that front grille there. Get my hand out of the way of the light. It has like the Japanese 5-spoke wheels, the J5s. No side view mirrors. Rolled up windows. And really nice metallic black paint. That paint is nice. I would love to see that on more models. Very nice indeed. Alright, and the last car in this little pack. Ooh, what is this? Oh, another one of these. Okay, another car I have many of already, the Sesto Elemento. Again, I just wanted this one for the tracks. Love this car. Love these wheels. Really fun casting. Awesome. Alright, let's pop that one right there. And let's bust out another one of these packs. Oh, there's one with only 2. Let's get this one out of the way. Oh, nice. Very, very nice. Looks like a 1970 Camaro or Firebird. I get it mixed up sometimes. Please forgive me. 70 Camaro. Okay, cool. Awesome. What does that say right there? Wise? I have to look that one up. Here we go. Come on. Come on. There's too much stuff in the background. Doesn't want to focus. Very cool. Really like these blue Hot Wheels Team Racing. Whoa, that windshield is straight up black. So it leads me to believe there's not much interior. No, there kind of is. Yeah, you can see a white interior, white steering wheel, white shifter, white seat. Very, very cool. Beautiful 1970 Camaro, shiny chrome plastic base. Awesome. Really like that one. Alright, let's put that one right there, and let's check out the last one in this little pack. Oh, excellent, another one. Wait a sec, no, this is a Firebird. Yeah, see? I guess I got those two confused, they're kind of similar. But now I am schooled, now I can see the difference very, very clearly. And now I know better for next time. So we got a let's see what it is. 69 Firebird Trans Am. Awesome. Crazy chrome interior. Blue windows, which are rolled down. Nice white enamel paint. Blue and red tampos. Chrome grille. Some chromey 5 spokes. Nice chrome bumper as well. And a white plastic base with a chrome Hot Wheels logo. That is cool. I am super into that. That is really, really cool. I would like to find out what set this is from. That's very neat. Oh, that's cool. It's got the little phoenix back there. Sick. Yeah, I'm into that one big time. Super cool. Alright, next pack up. And it looks like this one also has a couple cars in it. I love these big, oh, check that out. I believe that is, I mean, it's definitely a Corvette, but it's from like those mystery packs, I believe. Corvette Stingray, 2014, laced wheels, nice orange enamel. Looks like a tiger to me. Very cool. Oh, but I was saying though, I love these bulk lots. You know, it's like Christmas time. As you buy them, like, you know, on a whim too, so I kind of forget what's in there by the time I get around to opening them up. Yeah, so I think this was car number 2 in like the mystery packs, whatever year these dropped. Could have even been this year for all I know. I really don't know. Nice dark gray interior. I really like what they did with the headlights. The tempo looks really nice. Very cool. Dig that one. See the exhaust right there. Super awesome. Alright, so it looks like we're running out of room here on the paper towel, but it's all good. Not to worry. Oh, this one feels like a truck. What is this? Oh, I forgot I ordered this. Oh, man. Oh, there it goes. Cool. Awesome. There was a little package dust on there. I thought it was a scratch, but check out this Dodge Power Wagon. Sick. Very nice. I love like the 70s style of Tampo, you know, the yellow, orange, and red. Very cool. Goodyear Tampo. I mean, I know it's supposed to be like muddy tires, but I hope they don't do that too much. I'm not a huge fan of the brown tires. I mean, black tires are, you know, I'd prefer black tires for sure, but it's all good. Let's see if we got a headache rack up there with some lights. Roll down windows, no side view mirrors, a black grille. A little imperfection right there, but it's pretty minor. 70 Dodge Power Wagon. Awesome. Love this casting. That one is a lot of fun. All right, we'll put that one right there. And I think we're down to our last pack. Yep, our last 2 cars. I want to thank you guys for joining me today. I really love opening Hot Wheels. It's so much fun. So much fun. All right, what we got here? Oh, sweet. Another one of these Volkswagen trucks with the skateboard in the bed of the truck. So awesome. Love this casting for that very reason. I just love that there's a skateboard back there. Can you guys see it okay? So sick. But what a cool little truck too. I do like the orange paint. 5-spoke wheels. Roll down windows. You can see the black interior. So we got the sunroof rolled back. Volkswagen Caddy. Oh, nice. Got some nice little details up there. See the oil coolers painted in. Really cool. Really cool. I like that it says Volkswagen in the metal also. Dope. Very cool. Very cool. All right, and the very last vehicle in today's video, it looks like it's going to be another truck. What is this? What is this? Oh, okay. Yes, looks like we have a Zamac Ram, Dodge Ram. We got some green bead lockers, green windows, which I did not realize when I ordered it, but it's all good. Interesting. We got a roll pan in the back. Yeah, these Zamacs are cool. Look at that Tampo. Tampo work looks good. Goes with a nice theme. Dodge Ram 1500, 2006. Pretty cool. Definitely wanted to mind it a little bit of headlight and taillight detail, but it's all good. We got Tampos on pretty much every other panel of this vehicle. I need more Zamac in my life. These are really fun to collect. Very, very cool. All right, you guys, that was the video. I want to thank you very much for joining me today. If you are new to the channel and you collect Hot Wheels, please subscribe and don't forget to like the video. Again, my name is Jesse and I post Hot Wheels videos every single day, and I will see you tomorrow.